Alright, welcome back everybody. Gen 1 Scion here. I'm currently at 245,175 miles. My last oil change was right at around 2,000 miles. So I'm doing another one here at 4,100. So about 2,100 miles between oil changes. If you guys have been following me, I've been doing the Valvoline Restore and Protect. This is sort of my experiment to see how well it works on the Scion TC. I got a quart right here, 5 quarts right here. Got my OEM oil filter. Gonna get the old one out, cut it open, see what the pleats look like, see how much debris is in the oil filter. So let's get it going. Okay, so this is my first sort of inspection. This is not really scientific. It's either dirty or it's dirtier. This is my drain bolt. It's got the little magnet at the tip. And you can see here there is some muck from the oil. Kind of hard to see there. I guess I should use a white towel. But yeah, that's pretty significant, I'd say. All right, I got the old filter off. And then I got the new filter on. Just gotta tighten it. And I'm ready to fill the oil up. In a few seconds here, I'll go ahead and cut this open and see what we got. All right, so we got the oil filter. You pop this guy on. All right, you tighten it from here. This guy right here. Oops, you spill some oil. And you just get it going. Hold on. Use this to hold it. It's almost there. You can see it cracked open right there. I'll cut myself. All right, finally got it open. So now we got this guy. This is the inside part. We got a lot of oil here. I'll let this sit. That's kind of the color of the oil right there. It's pretty dirty. That's after 2,000 miles. So this is my first 2,000 miles was the last oil change. Then this is my next 2,000 miles. So I'm basically at 4,000 miles right now. Valvoline Restore and Protect. Hold on a second. All right. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, that's pretty nasty on the inside. I don't know if you can see that. Hold on a second. Okay, so here's the oil filter after the next 2,000 miles, so miles 2,000 to 4,000 on the Valvoline Restore and Protect. This is my 2006 Scion TC. I've got 245,000 miles on it. That's pretty nasty. Looks like it's doing its job. I feel like there's more in here than the last oil filter that I cleaned out. Basically the first 2,000 miles. Look at this right here. Look at this. You see that? I mean, there's a lot of stuff here. I feel like it's doing its job. I'm not going to check all these, but I think you get the picture. Pretty nasty.